Welcome back to the channel. If you recall, a couple months ago, I went and did a video at the High Tides Good Vibes in Surf City, North Carolina. And we're going to be going back there today, but we're going to have dinner with our friends Tim and Brenda, and we will see what good food that they have to offer. So here we are at High Tides Good Vibes. Boy, they got some outdoor entertainment now. The last time we were here, they didn't have that big screen, seating area. Wow. Okay. Our limousine is leaving to go park the car, and we're going to head inside and get see what we can find. We got to walk over here and get checked in. I don't think we have to have reservations, but we'll see what we can do. Looking forward to some good food, good fellowship. Oh, Lord. Thank you. Yeah. Oh my. Yum, yum. The fries look very good too. Yeah, you got a salad, and it takes the longest to get here. I thought you got a salad.
I got the Italian.
So what is this called now?
The Italian.
The Italian. Okay. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. Well, I must say, we had a great time here with Tim and Brenda. The food was excellent. I had the wings. And we would definitely come back for the wings. High Tides, good vibes. That was a good dinner.
It was.
Steak was good. Wings were good.
Yep.
Sandwich.
Good.
Sandwich good. High tides, good vibes. Good fellowship.
Yep. Always with these two.
Now we're heading home.
Always.
Oh, we have to go this way.
Well, that's it for our little trip to High Tide Good Vibes with our good friends Tim and Brenda. We had a delicious, delicious meal there. Like I said, I had wings, very good wings. Cheryl had an Italian sandwich. Tim had some steak and fries, and Brenda also had wings. We'd definitely go back there, and I'm going to try the chicken sandwich next time. So that's about it. I'm back on the porch. And hope you enjoyed the little video and a little bit more of things going on at High Tides Good Vibes in Surf City, North Carolina. So if you're ever in the area of Topsail Island and Surf City, please look that place up. High Tides Good Vibes in Surf City. You'll have a lot of fun, and you'll have some very good food. So until next time, thanks for watching. To be continued.